Good morning! Okay, so today, ito yung araw kung saan halos lahat naghihintay. Today is the 17th. Ngayon darating yung yung Trader Joe's na tote bag na pastel. I think this is the second year na ipapalabas nila. I'm not sure, pero halos lahat naghihintay. It's even in the news. So it's 5:54 ngayon. Nagising kami ng alas 5, nag-alarm ako. Pero yung alarm ko hindi nga hindi nga nag-on. Buti na lang yung body clock ko talaga nakagising ako. So, we're gonna go there. It's a short drive, siguro mga 20 minutes and be there shortly after 6 a.m. So, see you. Tingnan namin kung anong mga pangyayari doon ngayon. See you guys. Alarm? Yeah, 5 in the morning. Nag-alarm din siya. Yung alarm ko hindi hindi nag-on. Ewan ko ba. So, 5:57. Mag-open yung yung Trader Joe's at 8. Pero hindi mo alam. Baka nagpipila na sila doon. Nasa news kasi. Kaya nga, sigurado ang daming tao. Tingnan natin. Dito na kami sa Trader Joe's. Kanina pa. Meron doon, may nakahintay. Yan, may naghihintay. Mag-open sila. Tapos meron din doon, may isa doon. 8 o'clock sila mag-open. So, tingnan natin mamaya. At least, hindi tayo hindi tayo malate. Kasi sabi ng babae doon, nung the other day, sabi niya, dapat maaga daw. Kasi pag, wala na, nauubos na. May mga sakyan din dito. Yan. Pero siguro yung mga, nagpo-work, ewan ko lang. Okay, we'll see. Yan, parating na sila. Unti-unti na, dumadami. Yan o. Mga 7:13, 8 o'clock kasi mag-open. Pero nandyan na yung mga yung mga tote lovers. So, yun na yung pila. Dami na sila. Dami na namin. Sabi nila daw 20 daw yung yung max. So mas okay siya kasi yung sa kabila 6 lang eh. So dito daw 20. Grabe na yung pila. Yan hanggang doon sa likod.
So we're not like rushing our staff. But we have plenty. We have plenty. Thank you guys for being here, and we love y'all.
We love you.
Love you
We'll
too.
be in 1 minute.
We love you.
Love you.
Yeah.
You should. 1 minute more. Woo!
Trader Joe's.
Oh my gosh. Look at that line until there. Until there.
People be selling these bags $100 a piece.
Yeah, just put it all there. Ito na yung stripe. Yeah. This is ours.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay, you're fine. It's all here.
So many.
Yeah, that's why it's all here.
So sorry.
It's fine. May could just put it all. I went crazy. So we got 10 each of those colors.
Okay, hold on. Can I?
Yan na, got crazy na sila.
Okay, good job.
Okay.
Para 20.
Yeah. Thank you, Ping. Grabe talaga. Grabe talaga. Crazy. Grabe ang pila. Naghihintay. You got one? Crazy ang mga tao. Yan na, oh. Nauna kasi kami, kaya ang dami pa. So we're getting crazy. Okay, so we're gone. We're done. Where's our stuffs? Grabe, ubus na agad dun eh.
Other kids also getting dragged along.
I know, right?
No.
Look at it, guys. Look. So, ang nakuha ko actually, I got all 4 colors. Marami. 60 pieces. How many we got?
I think I don't even
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Pero ito yung gusto kong gamitin. So, I got one. Nagagamitin ko. And Ko also have her pink one. And there. Ganon kadami ang binili namin. Grabe talaga. Yung mga tao dun. Talaga, ang bilis talaga nila kumuha ng mga, kasi allowed ng 20 pieces per person. So, we really have fun. Yan, ganun kadami. Grabe talaga yung pila kanina. So, at least nakuha namin yung yung 4 na colors talaga. Kasi, first batch yata kami na pumunta. Eh, bakit nagpila pa sila? Ay, may pila pa doon. Oh my. Grabe talaga. Wala na to pag mamaya, after 2 hours, ubos na. Talaga ubos na to. Hindi maabutan ng lunch time eh. Gutom kami sa kakapila doon kanina. Maghanap kami ng pagkain dito sa Whole Food. Ay, nako. Aga pa kasi kami kanina. So, hindi nakapag-breakfast. Maghanap dito ng pagkain. Ginutom sa kapila.